Holo Taco's here. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. We have this detailing on there. Back in the front. Okay, let's open it up. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Oh! Oh my god. Okay. So they always have a message on the inside of the lid. So let's see what this one says. "'Tis the season of giving yourself some holo. Fa la 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 la." And then, oh my gosh, so it's in the shape of a Christmas tree. Of course, they have the gold one up top as the star. I love that. I think this is so neat. And then I also picked up these extra goodies. So let me show you what I got. I got the base coat, peely base coat, and the top coat. And I'm so excited to try these out. Especially this is like a glitter collection. So want to make sure I got that peely base. The packaging is all holo as well, and I just love it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about the latest collection from Holo Taco. This is their Christmas collection, and it features 6 polishes. They are all holo glitters. Now these are super glittery, super shimmery, and we're gonna see how they apply in just a moment. So if you're new here, I'm Candace, and welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe, and if you do find this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Now without further ado, let's get swatching. Okay, so first up we have Everything is Pine, and this is a gorgeous green holo glitter. It's definitely giving pine tree vibes. It applies very nicely. The first coat gives us a little bit of color, a little bit of glitter. I just love this shade of green. It is such a versatile color. It is absolutely perfect for the holidays, and it is just my favorite by far already, starting with the favorite. Next is Choco-holo, and this one is a chocolate brown holo glitter. And I love this one because it's definitely giving us those sweets for the holiday kind of vibe. This is definitely my first brown glitter polish, and it is looking absolutely gorgeous, and I love this addition to the collection. Next is Naughty List, and this is a gorgeous red. This is definitely a go-to color for the holidays. It's also just packed with a lot of glitter, and it just looks absolutely stunning. Next is Gold Play Button. I love the name of this one. As we know, you get a gold play button plaque when you reach 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So that's definitely perfect for Cristine from Simply Nailogical. I absolutely am in love with this shade. It's giving me Christmas ornament vibes, and this is another gorgeous staple color for the holidays, and this is the final look. Next is Plumb Luck. So this one is more like it's like a plum raspberry purplish pink. I love the addition to the collection, and guys, oh my gosh, like look how well it's capturing the light. Those holo glitters are just looking absolutely gorgeous, and oh, I'm blown away. Next is Black Holo Wish, and this one is really fun, really interesting. On the first coat, it's very sheer. You don't get too much color showing, but as you apply your second coat and third coat, if you want a little bit more coverage, we really see those holo glitters show through in contrast with that black colored base. It has a lot of dimension to it and it reflects light just beautifully. Welcome back. What did you think of this collection? Did you have a favorite color? Let me know in the comment section below. So my favorite would definitely have to be Everything Pine, and that was that gorgeous green scattered holo glitter, and I love this one. It's perfect for the holidays and just a gorgeous color within itself. And then of course the most interesting would have to be Black Holo Wish, and this one is interesting because there aren't a lot of black holo glitters. I also love the brown holo glitter as well. These two are very unique and I just love these two. So overall, I love the packaging of Holo Taco. They always come with really great high quality, and then the polishes aligned in kind of like a pine tree, Christmas tree moment. It looks super cool, very creative and thought out. If you're thinking about looking at different holo glitters, this is definitely a collection you want to check out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know your favorite shade in the comment section below. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!